You have to understand what I'm going, but it's a sad day in Jamaica when a man who's qualified for a job was hired, vetted and hired, and then we have a political party out in the street campaigning, say him for losing job, say him not supposed to, it's him not qualified, and all these things, and tie that into everything about Andrew Holness. They spoke more about Andrew Holness and statutory declaration and then sitting there today, more than even Dennis Chung. Dennis Chung was just a side note. The whole thing today was a protest that they wanted to have for the longest time, and it went right back to Usain Bolt money. Angela Brownberg talked about Usain Bolt money same way. And so I say, that's all it boiled down to. Usain Bolt money and Andrew Holness 28 bank account and not certified. Then that them go out there for. Never got the bonus. Because when name one of the man I say, Mark Golden I say, or one of the PMP man them I say, them I wait for them lawyer to tell them if it is anything untoward. I say, so you wait for the lawyer to confirm if something wrong with this hiring, but you out there protest. So when me hear that now, me I say, hold on, that doesn't make no sense. Because you have to talk to your lawyer them first and them that tell you say it was an unethical or illegal hiring or whatever it is, where some form of legal ramification is there. But you say, yeah, wait to hear back from your lawyer, from the lawyers, and you may take it to court. So I think say that exhaust them areas there before you go protest.